guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janu and I talk about all things intentional and low impact living. So today's video is actually done in partnership with EC30. I'll talk more about them as we hop into the video. So today's video is going to be my sustainable holiday gift guide, and I'm going to be showing you products from clothing to cleaning products and everything in between. So let's hop into the video. EC30 carries home and cleaning products that come in single doses. So for example, their hand wash comes in little doses like this, and all you do is put it in your hand, put the water in it and rub it, and then it lathers and becomes soap, which is pretty cool. So this one comes with 60 swatches, so I imagine that that will last, depending upon like how many people live in your home, it could probably last about a month or so. They also have a subscription as well, so you can get these products delivered monthly. So, which in the previous video, which I linked, they have a try all kit where you can try samples of all of their products. I ordered 3 of the full sizes, so I have the hand wash, the surface cleaner, and the body wash. So they come in boxes like these, and they also have directions as well. But this is the body wash, so all you do is you take one of these doses, you literally just put it up under the water on your hand and you start lathering it on your body. And they're very, very concentrated. There's no water in it, which is great because a majority of body products and just soaps and things like that contain majority water. So you're cutting down on not only water waste, but you're cutting down on the CO2 emissions that it takes for the products to even get to you in the first place. Because if this were body wash, it would be coming in large plastic containers for the most part. So I like that, you know, companies are finding ways to reduce their waste and just find more innovative ways to, you know, use less water and use less resources and come packaged to you as minimally as possible. So, and then for the surface cleaner, which I have right here, you would take the single dose, you would fold it, put it inside of the glass container, mix it with water, shake it up, and then you have surface cleaner, which is really cool. So these will actually go a lot longer. These are 30 different swatches, and it's gonna take a while to go through these, but what's really cool is that you literally have all of these products that normally these products would be like, you know, maybe 10 or so bottles, if not more, worth of product. And not only is that a ton of plastic that's going to landfill, but it's also just a lot of clutter. And like for me, I like to keep things as minimal as possible. So I love when I'm able to use products that, you know, help reduce waste, but also just don't take up a lot of space because I don't like clutter. In the description box below, I'll put all the information on EC30 and you can go check them out. But it's definitely a great holiday gift. If you want to gift all of their products, but maybe not the full-size products, you can do their try all kit, which has smaller sizes of all their products, so you can kind of pick and choose and see which ones you like, so then you can get this bigger ones on subscription in the future. The next gift is a set from Girlfriend Collective. They're one of my favorite clothing brands. If you've never heard of Girlfriend Collective, they make their products out of recycled water bottles. So I usually get their set. So these are a pair of their pants. These are inside out, but a pair of pants with their sports bra. They come in a variety of different colors. They also have biker shorts as well and a couple different other products, but I like that they also have an end of life for their product because you can send it back, and they're just all around, like, they make you look really good. They're very form-fitting. They're very size inclusive as well, which I think is important. So I love finding products that like make me feel good and look good and are also good for the planet as well. My next gift idea is just a set of CBD oils. So this one is by Tonic. They sent me a variety of different CBD oils. They have ones for being awake, for helping you go to sleep, and they also have a mini set as well. But I think it's cool to kind of like give someone just like self-care essentials. I think everyone now just wants some self-care essentials, so I think CBD oil is a great way to kind of help with that. So I would definitely check out just CBD products and products that just like make you feel really good and can help you like sleep and just relax, or maybe it is to wake you up as well. My next gift idea is Perfume. So I really like clean beauty. You can find them at Sephora, and their products just hit my face. Their products smell really, really good. And it comes in a glass bottle, which I know most perfume does, but then also when you buy the box, it comes wrapped in what looks like plastic, but it's actually not plastic. It's plant-based cellophane, which I did not know when I originally got it, but I like that they are thinking about, you know, the packaging of their product, and it just also is a very luxurious product. I think they're definitely on the pricier side. I'll put the price on the screen, but this will go a long way. I've had this for a while. I have a few of them, so that's why I haven't used this one as much, but they definitely last a very long time. and they smell really good. And they have a variety of different scents. And so again, I'll link all this in the description box below, including my favorite scent by them. My next gift recommendation is from Sustain Yourself, which is a woman-owned small business. So they have body butters, they have deodorant, they also have lip balms, and they have this tinted lip balm, which I'm actually wearing right now. I really like it. It's like not too much, but like still gives you a little bit of the little pink reddish. And you can also use this as blush, because again, I'm all about using multi-use products. And so these come in cardboard. Everything comes in cardboard, which is compostable, and then this comes in glass with a metal top, but it just like smells really amazing. This is their body butter. As you can see, it just smells really good. The texture is really, has a really good texture to it as well. The deodorant personally didn't work for me, but maybe work for you, because I just like sweat a lot, but the deodorant cream like is very soft, and it doesn't contain any baking soda, and it's all natural, and it's lemon, lavender, and it smells really amazing. And it's just like this, just like a cream. But again, it just depends on what you think would work for someone else. I know deodorant can be tricky, but you can't go wrong with the body butter, and then their lip balms as well, which I think are just a great addition, even if you want to get it for yourself instead of a gift. But I think these are a great addition. I like that it's a small business and you're supporting like small local businesses. My next gift recommendation is to help someone who is trying to, you know, start a sustainable lifestyle. So I've really been enjoying silicone bags. So these are from Zip Top. You can buy different size packages. So this one is their full set of 8. You can get like a set of 2, I believe set of 4 as well. I'll link, of course, everything in the description box below. If you want to spend, I don't know how much this is. If you don't want to spend the amount on the full box, you can definitely get a smaller size. So this one comes with 8, and I'll show you what they look like. So they stand up, which is really cool. I like stasher bags too, but I like that these stand up. I know stasher bags just came out with ones that stand up as well, but I think these are really cool. And you can like pour soup in it, milk in it, like it's just a great size. And then they just easily close like this. And they come in different sizes. And then there's this size. This one's really cute. There's this size like that, and then you have like a medium sized one for like sandwiches, and then there's these in here, different sizes, which they're really convenient. And so I think for giving gifts to people, like I love giving gifts to people that they'll actually use, like whether you're someone that, you know, lives a low waste lifestyle or not, I think you would still use these, right? And then you start thinking like, oh, like the amount of plastic baggies I'm no longer using, like, and then you start thinking about other ways that you can reduce your waste. So I think this is a great gift idea for someone who's maybe new to a low waste lifestyle and doesn't know where to start. And like I say, just start, you know, with one thing, because then they just start changing their habits based off of this, and they're gonna save a ton of money as well, because they're not buying, you know, a ton of Ziploc baggies, and you're also not, you know, using plastic. So I think it's a great gift, and it's just like a cool set. And I feel like you can use this also for makeup and traveling. It's not just for food. You can use this for literally anything. You can freeze these are dishwasher safe, great alternative to Ziploc baggies, and I think it's a great way to kind of get someone started on a low waste life. My next would be just a candle. I think candles just make everyone feel good. I'll put a couple in the description box below, but I think candles are just a good way to make people feel good, and like who doesn't enjoy a nice smelling candle? Anyway guys, I hope you found all these gift recommendations helpful. Let me know in the description box below which one you think you would buy, which one you think would be the best gift to give someone, what you're thinking in terms of giving a gift, and what other recommendations you would have. I would really want to know, so let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.